Smarter formwork for faster construction. Place the plastic panels onto the prepared surface according to the layout plan. Measure the required dimensions according to the project layout. Once the measurements are confirmed, cut the panel accordingly. Before cut. After cut. Next, connect all panels together. Using the designated pins and wedges, insert the pins through the connection holes between panels. Then secure them by locking the wedges firmly into place. This connection system ensures strong alignment and prevents movement during installation. Once the panels are connected, position the steel support beams across the panel grid. Install the lifted wailers along both side edges of the wall. Place the short hollow at the center of the wall. Place the Plas-X between the hollows. Secure the J-bolt together with Plas-X into the designated panel holes. Tighten. Carefully align the Plas-X with the mounting holes. Ensure the connectors sit securely and fit properly within the beam structure. Tighten it up hollow and lifted wailer. Proper tightening. Install prop adapter. Place plate washer. Proper tightening ensures the entire system remains stable and safe during operation. Install upper push prop. Make sure each bolt is firmly secured. Install base plate. And install turnbuckle. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Insert the bolts through the connector plates and tighten them using the appropriate tools. Rotate and position it on the ground. Combination tie nuts and tie rod need match. Fasten it firmly with tie nuts. Secure the nuts firmly, but avoid over-tightening. This is the completed wall built with our latest innovation, Plas-X.